Hello, today we have a quick unboxing of the Leatherman ES4 Squirt. It's the electrician model of the Squirt-series. In the box we will find a piece of literature for other models in their product line and the product itself in a plastic sleeve. As you can see, it's red instead of the other colors, and if you open it up we'll see more of the difference on the products. Here we can see the pliers is a bit different. They have wider strippers for different sizes and a very small tip. Also spring-loaded as the other models. It has a normal small knife blade, nail file, the flathead screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, and also the small scissors. It comes with a lanyard loop. And that's it. The Leatherman ES4 Squirt. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and comment.